How to add photo on TikTok live background. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can add a photo on TikTok live background. First of all, you have to launch your TikTok app here. Once you have launched your TikTok app, just go and select the live option here. Once you have selected the live option on your TikTok app here, you have to write a catchy title for your live stream, which will help the viewers to know what to expect. You can choose who can see your live stream. For maximum visibility, you can select it to public. After that, you can tap on the Go Live option button to start broadcasting. So if you want to add the custom background or visual on your TikTok live, so the TikTok doesn't support the custom background photos for live stream directly within the app. However, you can use the third-party software or tools to achieve this effect. You can use the streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs. You have to download that on your device and you have to add your webcam or video feed as a new source in this scene. So with the help of this video, you will know about how you can go live with the background, photos or videos. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.